So lots of talents are born out of desperation, no? Because, for example, like me living in Spain, that you don't really have lots of Ethiopian, so you don't have lots of ways of finding Ethiopian food. So you have in the States or anywhere else in the world. This is how they make injera, and I'm going to show you how we do it. Let me just show you. I'm making injera. But since we don't have Teff here in this country, we're using just powder or flour that you find in the supermarket, and then we're just going to toast it a little bit so it has a little bit of taste. After you toast it like this, you wait for a little bit to make it go a little bit cold, because now it's too hot and you don't want it to be too hot. Forgot to show you how I made this, but you basically just mix it with water and a bit of a mix of what you call it. Show is like something that you use to elevate the bread thingy. I don't know what you call it. Wait, let me show you. Use this with water, and then I just mixed the dough and I added water, left it for a little bit. I took a little bit of this mix and then boiled water and mixed a little bit, and slowly, we call it absit. And then I mixed it together, and now I have a hot pot. I use these papers to wipe it so it doesn't get stuck in there. Let me do it properly because I'm using one hand and this thing is doing this. So one moment. And then you take something like this and you mix it a little bit. It's a little bit too thick, but I will see how it comes out with one, and then I'll add a little bit of water. I'm filming myself, so I'm just going to do this. And then I'll just do this because using one hand to work and one hand to film is kind of like, what? But it's bringing I know. And then we top it off like this. So this is injera powder. Okay, don't worry. This is just flour. Okay, the first one always don't come out very nice, but it's not so bad. We put it like this to get cold before we top it, or one on top of each other. That one I did as well, but that was earlier when I made the mix and I didn't like the way it came out, so I added more powder and stuff. But now let's do another one, because the more you do, it would start getting better. Like you need like a paper towel like this one, and then mom wash it. Why is it burning oil in the back from before? But I can't be bothered. So you clean like this, and then you use one of these, mix it. It's a little bit too thick, but it's okay. And then do this and move it and move it and move it. And voila. You let it be. Oh, see? It'd be like this, and then you close it. So far so good. They are looking very nice. And then I'm doing it like this because I'm trying to make it cold before I stack them up, because if I stack them up while they're super hot, they'll get too, mush. Here's the final product. Look how fabulous it is. Ta 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 ta. And Hannah made hulatun gocha. She's good also, very cute. That, my friends, is how you make injera. Injera faranjagar. That, my friends, is how you make የፈረንጅ እንጀራ. I forgot to make a video on how the injera tasted and with what we ate it. So I filmed another day when I made another time injera, and I also put like how I made the absit. And this time when I made the injera, I wanted it to have more taste and to be darker. So like I used half barley flour and just half a wheat flour, and then I mixed those, and I did the same thing on the pan. I toasted it a little bit, and I mixed the dough, mixed it up, and made injera. And this is what it looked like, and this is how we ate it, because I also made wet. Got again to make the mix, but to film the mix, but I am boiling a little bit of water here. It has a little bit of this, that's why it's like the different color. But we take a little bit of this and we put in here. And then you go mix, 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 mix. I did some wet. It looks good, and I am making some injera right here. Today is more brown because I used a brown. How do you say, like integral? That's my Miss Hydersal. Here is our what? And here is our special injera that I just made. Honey, you will be the... Tani, you will be the judge. Tell me what you said?
Shettao? It smells like a real injera made from Teff. It's amazing. Look at this.
It looks very beautiful. Now let's try it. Let's try the what also.
This is the what that Yodit made. That looks amazing. Probably tastes amazing too.
Oh, thank you, Asis Tabi. No.
Ethiopia salad, Ethiopia ተሰማኝ ምክንያቱም look at the yogurt and everything.
Right?
Oof.
Nom 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 nom. In Spain, summertime in Spain. Summertime. It was like 35 or 38 degrees this morning, and now it's rainy. It's rainy, man. Hallelujah. It's rainy, man. Hey. Just came to the supermarket. We're not gonna go with all of this wet because there's AC inside, and oh my God. Hannibal, how are you going to?
I think I'm just going to go with my hair down to cover my
T-shirt.
exactly, and that's it.
No, but I think we're gonna get cold, huh?
Yeah, we have to run in and go out.
Yeah. Wait, I'm going to match my T-shirt over there.
Wow, we're in the streets. Look. And our girl.
Do you see this?
I'm watching over. If someone comes, actually you could enter to the photo, madam, please.
Oh yeah, that's true.
That's true, but you don't need it, right?
Nobody's here. This type of weather doesn't make any sense because I don't know, 32, 35 it was this
And
morning.
more, yeah.
And then now it's freezing cold, and well, no, it's not freezing cold. It's cold because of the wind.
It's cold, yeah.
Because of the wind. It's really cold, and it rained a lot.
But we're enjoying it.
Yeah. We're like, it's raining. Let's go get some drinks. So
Yep.
we're here. Let's go inside because it's gonna be more freezing. Look at us. Look at this body. Yes, they cover you.
Because it's wet, I'm not going to remove the...
No. Put your thingy on it. Patatas! We came. Yes, we came here for this. Yes, get more patatas. Get ice cream.
Yes, please. ice cream is cold. Oh my god.
No, titties are safe.
Yes.
Shopping wasn't bad. It's actually warm inside.
Yes.
We thought it would be like the AC and everything will be cold,
Actually,
but
we're dry now.
yeah.
We're
We will be now cold when we're outside. እንትን ያካፋ ነው
እያካፋ ነው but in English.
in English ያካፋ ነው እያለ ነው ምን እያለ ነው very beautiful is the beautifulness. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something today. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.